Hello guys, today in this video we're gonna talk about top 3 best drones under 2K. So guys, watch this video till the end, and if you like the video hit the thumbs up button, and new to the channel do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before starting you must know that this drone doesn't have any camera and battery life is less. So in number 3 we have a drone from a company named BLIZZPAY, priced at 2.2k, but with offers you'll get in 2k. It doesn't have camera and you can control this with your smartwatch. It has some features like taking off landing, infrared controls, barometric heights. So these are some cool features. Flight time is about 10 minutes, control distance is 80 meters, and charging time is 30 minutes. Price is 2.2k. In number 2 we have a drone from AMitasa, that's 2.4 GHz drone, priced at 2.2k, but with offers you'll get it in 2k. It has 360 flip, degree field, altitude, position, Hall, 6-axis gyroscope, and many other cool features. Flight time is 10 minutes, charging time is 30 minutes, and the price is 2.2k, but with offers it will be in 2k. So in number 1 we have a drone from a company that's HX 750 drone model, and it's priced at 1.4k. It doesn't have camera, the weight is 150 grams, control range is 18 meters, battery life is 15 minutes, charging time is 30 minutes. Priced at 1.4k, and you will get this in Flipkart and Amazon. So guys, these were the 3 drones under 2k, and all the buy links are in the description below. You can just check them out. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did that, hit the like button. And guys, share this video with your friends and comment below how was the video. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I'll meet you in another video. So guys, thanks for watching.